Put a sanitary pad in the toilet and it will never smell bad again. Grab a basic absorbent pad. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. This pad is going to become your secret bathroom freshness booster. Absorbent pads are amazing for more than what they're usually used for. They're not only great at absorbing moisture, but also perfect for holding scents. With this trick, your bathroom will smell fresh without needing to spray anything constantly. Take some scented baby oil or a fragrance oil of your choice. I like to use both because they create an incredible, long-lasting blend. Add about 15 drops of baby oil directly onto the pad, just like this, and then drizzle a generous amount of the fragrance oil. The combination of both will give you that lasting, layered aroma we all love. Now take your scented pad and place it somewhere discreet. I recommend attaching it under the toilet bowl in a hidden spot. If you're worried someone might see it, don't worry. Most people would never think to look there. You can also stick it under the sink for a low-profile option. Let's be real, nobody wants their bathroom to smell bad, especially when guests are over. Store-bought fresheners don't last long, and sprays often leave a temporary scent that fades fast. This trick keeps your bathroom smelling amazing all week long.